Hi guys, I'm Miss Kayla. I'm at Baldwin, and welcome to the first episode of Story Squad. This week, our book recommendations are kind of spooky, not so spooky, and the series I'm recommending for you, Erie Elementary. Did you ever think your elementary school was kind of weird? Well, in Erie Elementary, weird doesn't even begin to cover it. Lockers open themselves, hallways move, the homework even fights back. So you can join AJ as he is trying to survive this weird school. All right, not too scary. The illustrations are amazing. I know you'll like it, and check it out. And it's not too scary, but bring your flashlight just in case.
Hello friends, and welcome to the very first episode of the Story Squad. My name is Miss Christina, and I'm the librarian here at Oak Grove Elementary. Today, I've brought along a friend who likes her books spooky. If you like spooky stories, then let me introduce the series that's perfect for you. Today, I'm going to introduce the series Mr. Shivers. Mr. Shivers is a mysterious and spooky storyteller well, the books are going to make you shiver. But not in this scary, so scary that it's like, you're going to have nightmares tonight. Kind of scary. Inside each of these books, there's 5 different stories. The first book in the series, Beneath the Bed, and other scary stories, Shadow in the Woods, The Doll in the Hall, A Walk in the Dark. There's also a brand new one, The Face in the Mirror, but all of my copies are checked out, so I'm not able to show that one to you today. Inside each one of them, like I said, there's 5 stories. From Beneath the Bed, all you have to do is open up to the table of contents. Whenever you read the titles of the stories, pick which one interests you the most. Start there. Heidi is going to share with you her favorite story from Beneath the Bed.
It's a dark and stormy night.
Tell them what it's about.
It's about a kid who leaves his toys outside, and when he checks them, he doesn't find them outside again.
And to find out what's happened to his toys, well, you're going to have to check the book out and see. Mr. Shivers. Mr. Shivers is written by the author Max Brailer, also the author of Last Kids on Earth. Galactic Hot Dogs. And let me let you in on a secret. Max Brailer has also written under the pen name of Jack Chabert, who wrote Erie Elementary. Check out these books and more at your library.